An eSIM or embedded SIM is a small chip built into a device that acts as a subscriber identity module for mobile network connectivity. Unlike a traditional SIM card, which is a removable chip, an eSIM is integrated into the device's hardware and is not physically accessible. The eSIM technology allows users to connect to a mobile network without the need for a physical SIM card. Instead, users can activate the eSIM through a mobile network operator or via a QR code, allowing for quick and easy activation of a mobile network plan. One of the main benefits of eSIM technology is its ability to support multiple network profiles on a single device, enabling users to switch between different mobile networks without physically changing SIM cards. This can be particularly useful for frequent travelers or those who need to use different networks for personal and business use. The eSIM technology is currently supported by many smartphones, tablets, and smartwatches, and its adoption is expected to continue to grow in the coming years as more mobile network operators adopt the technology.